2001 Toyota Avalon. The customer brought me. The battery light is on and no charging. The charging system is damaged. Let's we open alternator and check what's problem inside. This alternator is not working. We open and show you again. Now I open the alternator. This rectifier is gone, and also the carbon brush weak. I change the carbon brush also, but main problem the carbon brush, but one rectifier is gone also. Check in diode mode, multimeter.
You can check in our previous video. We have showed that how to change carbon brush in alternator repairing, the previous video.
You see, this is working and this is working and this one is not working. I open from old alternator, same number, same thing. It is good, and it is good. Now we change this. This is the rectifier. The work is AC current convert to DC current. Make sure the armature is not short. Diode mode, no beep. Okay, here is beep. Okay, continuity good. There's no in the body. Okay. Make sure all the bolt is tight. Now fix brakes to the car and check what is the result. Now I fix the alternator. 14.7 battery light is off. Work is done. This is alternator. I change repair. I repair it. 14.7 before 7.6.